What's up, everybody? AstroBeatz right here. Got short bed Ben, cool cars KJ. Look what we got here.
We got ourselves a fine, handy dandy club car precedent golf cart that we got for the low. For the low. We just got to bring her back to life.
Look at that. Black body, black and red seats, custom wheels.
Yeah.
Look how dirty it is, though.
Yeah, it's filthy. It's filthy, so we're going to get it around.
Yeah. And if you take a throwback down memory lane, you remember brake cleans?
Brake cleans?
Brake cleans.
Yeah.
Still got all me equipment.
Oh, ant bed. There's an ant bed on the seat.
Brake cleans. Yes, sir.
Alright, so we got to push this thing.
Yeah, we're finna push it around. I'm gonna try and get this bad boy cleaned up.
Yeah, that's fine.
So, yeah. Alright, got this bad boy moved around. You like them up?
Yeah.
Get as much filth off the outside, and then we can take the canopy off. But it's gonna be hard to clean the canopy off the truck.
Yeah.
Off the golf cart. So we'll zip it all the way down.
Can't tell, is the inside of this nasty or the outside?
I think it's the outside for the most part,
Yeah,
but I'm sure the inside is too because the seats are.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it's not 100% sealed. But the easiest way to clean this cover, in case we are gonna sell it or do whatever, would be with it on.
So it'll have shape, so we can.
Exactly.
Hook it on.
Let's work aside to clean it first, then see what we got.
Yeah.
So it's all yours, I guess. We just got the water shit fixed, so
Yeah.
I guess you need the extension cord, right?
Mm-hmm. Where is my hose and gun at? Are they in the shed or where?
I thought we got rid of
Blue
it.
hole?
Yeah, the blue hose and the little stubby gun. I know we got.
It's back in.
I don't know where the last place I seen it. Yeah.
That's dope. You done got you one.
Alright, this is it after the first semi-wash. It's really just to wash the cover, because we might sell the cover. I don't think we're going to use it, but it looks better than before already. The inside, these windows, like the see-through part, the inside is nasty. I've already tried to see. The inside is what's making it look nasty like that, so I need to turn it inside out and wash it if we do. I'm definitely go back over it again, but we're going to take it off and actually wash the cart. Look at the wheels. Wheels looking good already. Yeah, it's already looking decent. I haven't done this in a while, but it's looking good. We're gonna take this cover off and see what we're working with under it.
See it.
Oh shit, hold on.
Oh, you got it hooked?
Yeah,
Mine. Look at that bug right there.
Yeah. Here, let's take this to the car.
We gotta do some cleaning, boy. Yeah, we just gotta clean it.
That boy do look good, man.
Black with the black and red.
Put this back on first.
Nice.
Hit it with the
I told y'all, yeah. It's black body with the black and red seats.
Let me go get the blower. I took it back. Let me blow everything, all the excess off. And then we can go from there.
Look, we got a little care package from Super Clean for his channel. Sponsor. We're gonna be using this stuff to help. We're gonna be using this to help clean it. Shout out Super Clean. Yeah, this one's gonna be nice. I can see Ben driving the wheels out this thing already.
Hold on tight. We're going for a ride.
Oh. I like how they got so much space back here.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Oh, I even got no storage. Huh? You see it folds down?
Yeah. This could be like a
storage.
Yeah.
Or extra
if you take the seat off. Yeah.
Not saying you, but you know.
Who was
top's
selling
real
it?
clean. Look at the top though.
I wouldn't doubt it.
So
Yeah, the
clean.
top clean. The top is
Yeah.
spotless.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that cover did it good. I like the wheels. The wheels my favorite part about it.
Yeah.
The wheels look good.
He said he gonna raise it up a little bit maybe.
Yeah, yeah, I think that would look nice.
Yeah.
A little bit of a lift on it.
I didn't know if we should start with this or start with the phone, but what do you think?
I think it's on.
Phone can?
Or I meant like this.
Oh, this?
When you see the phone, I'm in my zone. Yeah, look, it's gonna turn brown. We can see it as it cleans it. Oh, that nasty.
That mat comes out too.
Oh, I didn't even know it was a mat.
Damn.
Look at this bad boy. It's starting to look good. I'm gonna hit the trims with some trimmer store. Look at them wheels. Cleaning up the wheels some. It's shining, not shining, but it's looking way better.
Way
It
better.
ain't got none of that dirt on it no more. Look at how different the seat is now. I'm gonna have mold all on it. Got all up in there. Yeah, it's looking much better now. All that mold gone off of it. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, once it dries, which is pretty dry, but when it fully dries, I'm gonna hit these black faded trims and maybe the roof.
What is that? You just wipe that on, or how does that work?
It's an aerosol can. You just spray it.
All right, y'all. We got this thing over to the concrete. Ray want to put a little trim sign on it. See how to do it.
See, I already put a little bit right there.
Yeah.
See how it looks.
Oh, okay. Do you wipe it at all or no?
You can. I did it when I put it on my shirt. See how it shines it up?
Yeah. I just don't know if it doesn't make it like tacky and attract bugs and stuff. Smells good though. Man, this thing looks 100 times better. This thing over here, man, with all this mildew and mold, y'all tell me what y'all think, man. I think we might as well just get rid of it. I mean, some of the zippers are hanging up, like right here. I just think by the time you put all the effort into trying to clean this thing, trying to get all this mildew and mold off of it, you'd be better off just buying another one. But like I said, I don't see us using that. I really don't. I just don't know. I just don't know why I would use it. If we're at the beach or something, or at some event, I wouldn't see you rolling that down and trying to stay out the rain. So I don't know. Y'all tell me what you think. Bray got this thing looking mighty spectacular. Still got to do my research. You know, all the mods that's available for these. I want to put some kind of stereo in it. Yeah, I think we want to lift it up a little bit. Bray says 2 inches. I'm thinking a little bit taller maybe. But we love these wheels. We got on YouTube. I got on Google. We can't find these wheels nowhere. So I would like to reuse them. Probably could put some bigger tires on them and still reuse them. But the mud looks so good.
If we go same size tire, mud tire, say 2 inch. But if you go bigger tire,
yeah,
like 4 inch.
Okay. Okay. So maybe a 2 inch with a mud tire on that rim right there.
Yeah, I think that would be nice. Yeah, that trim shine helped.
Definitely looking good. $800 pickup. I can't complain.
Yeah.
Wheels alone. I mean, we couldn't find another set. We saw them, but it's like when you went to click on the link on the picture, they're not available. So I really don't know how much they cost, but I would assume them wheels are
Probably.
$50 to $100 a piece. So
Yeah.
you're talking either $200 to $400 just for the wheels.
And
Then
tires.
it's got the extended top. It's got the back seat right here, the little flip up table piece, and this whole back piece right here. I know that stuff ain't
Yeah.
cheap. Can't be cheap, so I think we did well, man.
Great.
Damn good.
Yeah.
Definitely a good base to start with. And start taking this thing when we go places, man. Start taking it with us so we ain't got to do all that walking stuff. That carrying them lawn chairs at the beach, that shit
That's
sucks.
so walking through the sand
Walking through
too.
the hot sand. Now I don't know. I haven't done the research to see if these things go through sand. I would assume
think
maybe with the right setup they
With
probably do.
With the right tires, they should.
Yeah. Especially with a lithium battery, it got more power.
Yeah.
So that's something we got to check. But man,
And some weight on it. People sitting on it.
yeah.
So we get traction.
Yep. I did when I was looking up the battery stuff. A lot of them places will show you how much the stock 6 batteries. The batteries weigh like 385 pounds, and the one lithium battery weighs like 95 pounds. So that's why the cars be going so damn fast. They got more power, but they also
Less
got a lot
weight.
less weight. So man, this thing's clean.
Yeah.
I'm happy about it. I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get this thing on the road soon. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that, man. Got a little video out, man. This is the newest pickup for the Jones compound.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're gonna get it in, man. That thing's, we'll bring y'all along for the ride, man. I don't know what the next video will be, but hopefully y'all enjoyed this. So like, share, subscribe. We're gonna holler at y'all.
Peace!